Every time we touch, your hands are colder, colder. There's no beating coming from your wooden chest. Frozen grin, a mannequin. When I get closer, I can see the strings that underneath your vest. If you can cry real tears.
Hey guys, so this is the wall. This is the wall. And they're still finishing up the things. Bakit? I feel so weird. But I look tan. Nice.
Sunsets at night, stay here tonight, won't fall again, but is this the end?
And I hate myself even more than your father does. Midnight motel, holding on to forgotten us.
Tell me what you want, like, I know your friends never like me, but it's alright. You can stay with me, come and spend the night. I know you know the way to my house and the code to my Wi-Fi. Lock the front door and we bumpin' Mr. Brightside. Bought some new lights, we can rave like last time. Got a nice view, you can see the whole skyline. Nightlife, party in the dark till sunrise. Midnight motel, left the lights on and I wish you well. Bloodstained walls, but I can't even tell. Run away now and just save yourself. One night, oh well, might as well try it, cause something is biting and telling me to go to the midnight motel. To the midnight motel. Sunsets at night, stay here tonight, won't fall again, but is this the end?
And I hate myself even more than your father does. Midnight motel, I'm holding on to forgotten us.
Hello guys, my name is Bea Flirtry. Finally, we will be doing our room tour. Come in. So a lot of people have been asking me about my room, and you know, it's a very cozy thing lang. Our house actually, we don't have our own house. We actually live with our lola and lolos. They have like a big ancestral house here in the city, and it's been here for like 23 years na. So halos ka-age ko lang ang bahay. But of course, as you can see here, it's very new. It's because when the pandemic hit, we had renovation. So a lot of the rooms here upstairs are renovated already to our liking. So 3 rooms, I think, were renovated upstairs, and 1 room and 2 rooms downstairs were renovated. So this is my room. I actually have a corner room, as you can see here. Andyan si ate sa likod. Hi ate. So yes, so basically when you come in, you have a desk here. So itong desk na to, actually this is Lolo's desk sa kwarto niya. But now my Lolo's room is now occupied by my cousin, Kuya Nick. And then my bed has been, this is the same bed I had since I was a little kid. And then this here, this cabinet was actually new. I'm not entirely new, Pero pinagawa siya. Materials were recycled, but then the design, it was redesigned and also was painted white all over. Before, I will have a before there. I have pictures for before and after. So, yon. So, now, I don't know, ano yung gusto nyo makita? Like, sa desk ko, here, my chair pala guys, hindi pa siya wala akong magandang chair. So, monoblock lang tayo. Wala tayong budget. Charot. But then, this desk is my lolo's desk, like I said. And since he had a lot of desks inside of his room, it was kind of dispersed na lang everywhere yung mga iba-ibang desk. It wasn't utilized. Ginagamit ko siya. So, I have like 4 drawers here. There is a main drawer. So, let's start here na lang muna pala. There. So, this is my iPad, my laptop. Then, you know, we love our Jose Cuervo here. Then, meron akong stand sa cellphone. Then, I have my water and my tea here. And then, my internet is there. So, as you can see outside, yung kaharap ko, guys, is ang Land Bank of the Philippines. Bangko siya. I'm gonna show you guys my honoses. Or basically, this one has like my ampaws, my notebooks. Then, I also have my chargers, my bands for my Mi Band. So, this is, wala tayong budget for an Apple Watch. So, dyan tayo. And then, my stapler, ganon. So, that's what's in here. If we come to here sa side, there are 3 other na drawers. So, this one, this has my hard drive, more chargers, may mga mask din sa loob. We also have my microphone here. So, wala akong microphone ngayon. So, if there is a big echo, I'm so sorry. Then, when we move on here to the next one, this is my ring light. This is my BP app. Some random things really, like mga pens are here. And then, my bond paper doon, tsaka Oslo paper. Here is I have ping pong balls for like beer pong. And then, I have gloves. I have my suture, my scissors there, yung parang surgical. And then, yun lang, you know, so many random things. Ngayon, guys, after how many days na mauran, after how many days that it was raining, finally, there is sunlight. This is the second day of having sunlight here. So anyway, we will move on. So this is my bed, like I said. So this is my hanging cabinet. Nakita? Okay. So this is just like my favorite books. I had more books before kasi sobrang because I was such a bookworm in high school. But now, because the books that I'm reading are more on like internal medicine and whatnot, so I only kept the books that are really dear to my heart and that I really love. So I have my Hunger Games here. I have a bunch of thrillers here. I really like thrillers. I had a thriller phase. My favorite thriller so far is Cuckoo's Calling. So I'm just gonna plug it there. Then I also have Girl on the Train. I like that. I read Crazy Rich Asians before it went out. Then here, on this side, I have my Cassandra Clare books. I'm such a Shadowhunter fan pala. I read all of the Infernal Devices, all of the Mortal Instruments, and this is the Lady Midnight. This is a new series, but I haven't read it much. Then John Green, I so love John Green. I read all of his books. I also like David Levitan, and I also read the Peculiar Children series. I also am done with that. I have a lot of favorite authors, so like Lauren Oliver. I also read her Veronica Roth for like the Divergent series. Then this one, I really like this. I think I got this in Barnes and Nobles in the States. Anyway, I also have weird teacups here, but then I was gonna put some succulents in it, but then I still don't have plants. Oh, here are like I have 50 Shades. And then here are my favorite CDs, charot. But this one is a book by Kyla, so my roommate lent it to me. It's so nice, the Alchemist. Then, I only have 2 CDs. I have Parokya ni Edgar. Someone gifted this to me in first year college. I think it was Hans. And then I also have Grace and Chance. This is the only CDs that I have, guys. And then of course here, on top, is my photos. So I have from track and field, I have from Girl Scout, and then my family when I was younger. here because ayoko na parang madaming gamit dyan sa wall. I want it to be a clear blue wall lang. So, that is why I put it here in the bed instead. And it's a queen size bed. So, hindi ko naman kailangan malaking space, guys. You know, hashtag forever alone. Charot. But then, so here is my board. I think I already made a short segment there of that. And here is my cabinet. Bubuksan ko ba? Anyway, the cabinet is actually relatively new-ish. I asked them to paint it white. Also, by the way, fun fact, if you noticed, I have 2 walls that are blue and 2 walls that are white because I really wanted that accent thing, whatever. I don't know, I'm not an interior designer. But anyway, this is my cabinet. This is my cabinet. Okay, so as you can see here in my cabinet, I try to arrange it by color or color coding tayo dito. So here upstairs kay all of my journals, my albums, my scrapbook, because I really don't know where to put it. And here, all of my whites are here, all of my reds, my blue, and then all of the blacks. And then all of the other colors are here. And also my, anong tawag nun? Jackets are below there. So as you can see, hindi ako makulay na tao. I only have a few colors. It's red, it's white, it's blue, it's black. And the rest are history. So here, this is the new mirror. Before kasi meron kaming ibang ano. So this is the mirror. Then I have my, what do you call this? Scented candles here. I have a dried flower here, a vase, a vase, whatever. And here, it's where my makeup is. On the other one naman, here, this is where a lot of random things actually, like notepads and whatnot. And here is where, oh my god, don't sue it there. It's my, whatever, I'm gonna blur it. This is the cabinet for, what do you call this? Underwear and stuff. And here is where I keep all of my bags. So a lot of handbags are there and whatever, my Herschel. And of course, we will move on here. So this one is, I actually got this customized also. And all of my dresses are here. I actually folded them because I have the lack of hangers. Then a lot of my pants, shorts in here and whatnot. And then some random things at the bottom. I think kuman na. So anyway, I think that is it. Yung bedroom ko, it's not really big. It's sakto lang for this corner room. It's really hot at the moment. It's actually really hot pag hapon, lalo na kapag maaraw. It's also really hot during the morning. But the nice thing about having a corner bedroom is that you see a lot of light. Diba? So it's like very bright and sunny and whatever. Very bright and sunny and whatever. So yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know. I'm gonna go back to school na ngayong 25, so I might be busy. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!